In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your API key on Groq. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Groq and make sure you are signed in and have created an account. Afterwards, what you're able to do is you're able to select over here where it says docs that will provide you with guides and how-tos. And we're going to be using this to kind of help us actually understand how to set it up. So once again, you just want to go over here to where it says quick start. And now what you want to do is you want to look through this right over here. So this first section is going to let you know how to actually set it up. So first and foremost, you need to create an API key if you haven't already. If you haven't, you're able to go ahead and click on this link right over here in order to actually create an API key, or you could use a pre-existing API key if you already have one. So I already have some API keys, so I'm good to go. But if you never made one before, do not stress out. You're able to select on create API key. Then you can go ahead and give it a name. You can determine whether you want it to expire or anything like that. That's 100% up to you. You can just set it to no expiration. But that is how you're able to make your API key. Then you want to head back over here. And now what you want to do is you want to configure your API key as an environment variable. This approach streamlines your API usage by limiting the need to include your API key in each request, and it enhances security by minimizing the risk of inadvertently including your API key in your code base. So in the terminal of your choice, you would type this in. So export, and then Groq's API key, and then you want to put an equal sign, and then enter it in right over here. So that you want to enter in your API key. So instead of this text right over here, you want to get rid of it, and then type in your key. And now it is going to ask you requesting your first chat completion. What you're able to do is you're able to go ahead and type in something that looks like this. And of course, they do have it in multiple different like programming languages as well. So we got JavaScript, and we also do have Python as well. So literally all the different options is there. So you will start out by typing this in your terminal, export Groq. Then in your actual coding, you want to type in import Groq from, and then your guys are able to go ahead and actually use this. Obviously, it's going to depend more particularly what you're using. If you're using Python, you're going to need this for the shell, and then you're going to need to import the operating system, and then you will need to input this. Thankfully, they do make it relatively easy. You can also use third-party libraries and SDKs as well, which they will show you right over here. And thankfully, this is a relatively straightforward process. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.